was expecting it to be like other law jobs I had, where most of your day you're just sitting at the desk and the most you're trusted with is some legal research and writing a few memos for your attorney.
I know that a lot of firms have, put their interns doing a bunch of discovery work, a lot of grunt work. And so when I was coming in here, I guess that's kind of what I expected, to just be doing a lot of doc review and things of that nature.
Before I arrived, I actually talked to attorneys from JB, and so I was expecting to work a lot. I was not expecting to have actual impact on cases, and that was, I guess, the biggest surprise when I was working here.
So they just, as soon as you get here, I remember it was my third day here, I finished all the mandatory training we had to do. And then right after that, I'm drafting legal motions.
I was immediately put into doing meaningful legal work, writing complaints and motions, and any discovery that I did do was directed towards specific claims, defenses.
But they know that you don't have any idea what you're doing, and they have the resources and the tools to help you figure it out.
This summer, the interns got to work on a case all together. It was a small business that had a really significant judgment against them, and we were able to work together to write a lot of motions, a lot of proposed orders, and put them in a lot better situation than they were when they came in and started working with the firm. And it was exciting to make a difference for that business, but then also to support the interns and the attorney and kind of have that team feeling.
I don't think most law firms give their summer associates that opportunity to work on actual legal work that's going to get submitted to a court.
I think what surprised me most was how open everybody is to giving you feedback or giving you their time. And I was pleasantly surprised that almost every time I asked for feedback or I had a question about something I was working on, the lawyers and the attorneys and all of the staff here at JB were available and there to give me what I needed to succeed.
I think the support you get here is really good, just because there's a wide variety of perspectives and different people who do different work here. If you have a question about something that somebody doesn't know, you can go to someone else and they will. And it's a smaller firm, so everyone's a little bit closer. It's a little bit of a friendlier environment. You don't feel like you're going to ask your boss and like you're gonna feel like an idiot. You feel like you're gonna go ask your buddy and he's gonna help you out.
I really enjoy it. It was important to me to be at a firm this summer, and I don't think that I could have had a better first summer experience. I learned so much, I was challenged so much, but I also feel like everyone was very cognizant of what the kind of work that I was doing, the support that I needed, and I felt very challenged and very supported. And I think having both of those things was really just perfect for this summer.
So I think if somebody wants to do meaningful things and experience that struggle a little bit and learn from it and be better because of that, I don't think there's a better place. I really think I've gotten to do more meaningful, real work here than I think I could have done anywhere else.